Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check the RAM and storage of the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on device care. Now if you scroll down, as you can see, this is the storage of our smartphone. And as you can see, we have used 33 gigabytes out of the 256 gigabytes on our smartphone. And as you can see, we have 222 gigabytes left out of the total 256 gigabytes on our smartphone. And if you want to check the RAM, as you can see, we have used 4.3 gigabytes out of the total 8 gigabytes on our smartphone. And as you can see, we have 2.9 gigabytes left out of the total 8 gigabytes on our smartphone. And this is how you can check the RAM and storage on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.